Alright, it's 7:30 or so Wednesday morning. 38 in here, but she's frosty out there. Let's go out and do a cold start on the old blue and white Chevy. How about it? There she is. Cold frost on the windshield, huh? Let's see if it'll run. It's been getting some wear since I redid her 10, 11, 12 years ago. Need a seat cover. It needs a few other things too. So let's see if it'll run. Battery connection. Let's see if that did it. Did not. Well, at 11.52 volts, the battery's dead. Well, we'll have to come back to that. Battery charger's on it. I suspect this one will run though. I can get my fat butt up on it. Oh yeah. Must have got a little antifreeze on the belt. Well, I got a mess to clean up, don't I? In the meantime, I better clean up. I got a friend coming who happens to be a heating and air guy, and he's going to install some new heat and air in here. We're going to get rid of those window units. Alright, I went over to my buddy Got Milky One's place, and we got his old toy truck running today. Used the HP tuners. I ain't too good at that, but we managed. Got new heat installed. Man, it's toasty warm in here. Got to get those holes plugged up where those AC units are at. And clean up. Clean up. That's what I'm always doing, cleaning up, and I don't do it enough. Anyway, I need to clean up that area. Get that AC unit out of the window. I need to do it right now. Another thing I did, which I didn't video, is I changed the clock spring in that Caprice out there because it wouldn't read the airbag and horn don't blow. Well, now it reads the airbag, but the horn still don't blow. I ain't figured out what's up with that. So if any of you got any ideas, let me know. The dude my wife takes him to is a stickler. Got to make sure the horn blows. Alright, since that's mounted there, I had to move my Mr. Heavy Chevy sign that Whalen Wire sent me all the way from Washington. I had to move it over there. But that's just as good a spot as any, ain't it? I think it is. Alright, I had to wheel this thing back in here because I have messed up. And I thought I was very careful to not mess up, but I did mess up. I got the clock spring in wrong, so you can only turn the wheel a little bit to the left and all the way to the right, which is inconvenient for driving purposes. So I got to take it all back apart. Luckily, I have now mastered how to do that. Maybe I'll show you some of it. Alright, the first thing you got to do when you're taking this airbag out is turn the wheel upside down. And then you got to get two items such as this. And there's two holes on the back side of that steering wheel on the outside. And you got to stick them in there. You kind of got to do it by feel. Stick it in there. You want your, it's hard to do one-handed. You want your tool kind of like that, and stick it in that hole, and then once you get it in there right, you'll feel a little spring action. You got to do the same thing on the other hole, and then that glove box, the airbag will fall right out. And what you're doing is right there where those little dualies are, you're pushing them out so that it'll release off the airbag. Now, to pull the airbag, you just pop up them little clips right there, both of them, and then the plug comes out of the airbag. Alright, now you got those undid. These go into the Clockspring. This stays with the steering wheel. You got to unplug it from right in there. Now we got to take this bolt out.
Well, that wasn't nice.
Hey, what are you going to do? I just ate. I've already marked the steering wheel so I know exactly where it goes. And you just wiggle it, and the wheel comes right off. Except what I should have done before I took the wheel off was got the wheel straight. Dummy. That's what I did, and the daggone thing wouldn't turn. I don't know. It should have worked according to my calculations. Those are some aggravating jokers right there. Which way did this go?
I have no idea.
Alright, now we're going to crank it up and see what we see.
You would like the keys to do that.
No. Is that all the way? Yes. I think we're good. Alright, now we can't do like I did last time, which was forget to put the bolt in. Where's the bolt at?
No idea.
Here it is. Alright. Now for the airbag. As long as we're right here, let's make sure everything's looking good for the horn. You know what? That tab right there might be. Let me go.
The reason it doesn't work.
Maybe. Let me go investigate. Oh. It has a contact point everywhere. One there, one there.
So maybe something's not coming in contact like it should.
I don't know. I suppose I could change this piece. Don't seem like it'd make any difference, but we got it. We might as well try it.
Might as well.
Where's that itty bitty impact?
Right there. There it comes.
He's texting you.
No. That's you.
Okay, no, I'm busy. Sometimes my big fingers don't do well in these tight little spaces. There we go. Now, can we see anything wrong with this? I sure can't.
Do they run off fuses or anything?
The fuse is good.
Seems like that's something they wouldn't deactivate, huh?
I don't know. You can't never tell about the popos. Seems like they'd want a horn.
Seems like they would. Get people to move out of the way when they're on a high-speed
Well,
chase.
don't forget they got a siren. They can do whatever they want with a siren.
You think that is tied into the horn, the siren?
I doubt it. I'm gonna have to go get a light for my old eyes. Wait, I think it had to do it.
We're just trying to see what you're doing better.
Well, you don't have to shove the camera up my nose.
I'm far away from your nose. It's your big fingers and hands, you can't see. You're blocking everything. Trying to get a better view. Uh-oh.
What are you uh-ohing about?
Sounded like your battery was about going dead.
No, I was trying to be gentle. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
No, she does not. Alright. Horn still don't blow. Where's the key?
Why did you take it out?
So I wouldn't have to listen to the dinger. You know, intelligent people can't handle a lot of noise. I do not understand why the horn won't blow. Alright.
Help. SOS. Horn don't work. So I was somewhat right about it having to do with the siren.
Yes, she is somewhat right. Horn blows.
You fixed it. Congratulations. Now I can get it inspected.
Alright, well, I searched it on the interwebs, and what it is the wires up under the dash here. Green, this is a 2017, so green and white stripe, light green and dark green with white stripe. And you just gotta unplug the two plugs and make sure same color to same color. This was not. So now the horn works. It's a miracle.
It's a miracle.
Alright, I'm gonna make a real quick video. I got a 2017 Caprice. I just kind of got her put back together and tried to get it inspected, and whoa, lo and behold, the horn don't blow. I put the different clock spring in it out of another car. Didn't make no difference. But I looked on the internet real quick and figured out what the trouble is. I don't know if anybody's made a video, but I'm gonna. Here's what the problem was. Up under the dash, those wires right there. The dark green was hooked to the light green, and the light green was hooked to the dark green. I unplugged them both, put same color to same color, and horn blows. Easy as that. Hope that helps somebody.